She said to me, Zim is too hard for you to want to return, but hard is what Zim is. Or haven't you learned that we are a house made of rock, no mortar, a land that is landlocked, no water? And I was born from this, screaming. The air flowing between my lungs is the same wind blowing between the rungs on the rocks of our great stone monument. And I was made from this, teeming within my veins is blood pulling as if by reins to see the world and all it contains, but I know how to remain. I know how to return. So maybe when God made you, he took the fine sand of a dusty beach, but when he made me, igneous rock was all that he had within reach, and he strung me together with fear and wonder, so that no matter where I wander, just like the tide turns, I have learned that apart from where I stand, there are parts of who I am that I carry within my brittle bones, like echoes of sticks and stones, and they function like a beacon which is leading me home.